You need to eat more. Don't be shy. Cover your mouth when you cough. Don't worry too much. How did you get hurt? Let's play together. Let be happy. Take a sip. Don't worry, Mom is here. Be careful with that. Don't shout. Put your clothes in the laundry basket. It's your turn to wash the dishes. It's time to wake up. No snacks before dinner. Don't forget to flush. Comb your hair. Don't tease the dog. Does it fit you? Or it is too big? Don't talk with your mouth full. Get down or you might fall. Follow Mom. Let's make cookies together. Try again. Don't cry.